Mainga said the High Court was correct when it absolved the NBC from responsibility to that contract. He stressed that Mulongeni did not have authority to enter into contract with Vectron without the NBC board's permission. NBC initially signed an agreement estimated at 110 million Namibia dollars with Harris Corporation Broadcasting in January 2001 for the supply of FM and television transmitters. But when Harris and its then agent Setima Benebo had a fallout, that agreement was cancelled in November the same year, with a new agreement brokered by Benebo and signed in December of that year for Vectron to supply the same equipment at a cost of around 160 million. The High Court held in December 2011 that NBC did not have liability in honoring that agreement, but an appeal to set aside that absolution from instance was argued in the Supreme Court last year. Advocate Andrew Corbett for Vectron asked the Supreme Court to send the case back to High Court for the NBC to defend its responsibility to that contract. Corbett said NBC's claim that former Director General Ben Mlongeni lacked authority when he signed the December 2001 agreement was an afterthought. Advocate Eze Chiming-Chase for the NBC said Vectron's own evidence about Mlongeni's powers failed to convince the High Court. She said Vectron and Harris Corporation Broadcasting's agent Setima Benebo was not only Mlongeni's friend, but he did not know about transmitters, and it was going to be against public policy for the two to bind NBC to that contract, which was more expensive than the one with Harris Corporation. Chiming-Chase said Mlongeni and Benebo ignored a board resolution that directed the DG to only deal with Harris Corporation.